Today we're making rose water panna cotta with a ginger crumb, some burnt white chocolate, as well as a citrus puree. So let's get going. Pop a little bit of rose water straight into a container. Use as little as possible gelatine. Full cream in this pot, about 50 grams of sugar. I'm just putting the cream and sugar mixture on a low heat. Gelatine goes straight into your milk, distributes evenly throughout your mixture. Just a light spray. You can now transfer these molds into the fridge. White chocolate, I'm just going to break into blocks. Nice citrus puree. We're going to use some of these now, cheese, some sugar. While that's cooking down, I want to make a crumb, cubed butter, plain cake flour, some icing sugar, a little bit of ground ginger, and these can go into a preheated oven of 180 degrees. Right, straight into a container like this. Got our burnt caramelized white chocolate. Our crumb mixture is also out of the oven. Plonk it out. Puree, chocolate, a bit of greenery. Pairing beautifully with this dish is the Neethlingshof Gewurztraminer 2023. First, smell this wine in the glass. You get notes of beautiful rose water. Beautiful. Perfect.